How to turn off invitation notification on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off invitation notification on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and here you will find test lines and stop corner. Click on it and then click settings, and here you will find notifications. Click on it and then just scroll down until you find the level notifications. Click on it and here you will find the invitation notification. All you need to do is just click on it one click to turn it off, and that's it. After you turn it off, just go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.